Want to combine multiple video clips into one seamless video using QuickTime Player? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do it step by step. No fancy editing software needed. Let's get started. So here's our sample video. Let me open up this screen recording that I made a while ago, resizing this window for a bit. Here's the second clip screen recording, and this music, that is an MP3 file. So here on QuickTime Player, all you have to do is drag the second clip into the lower portion. And this small timeline will show, the yellow line indicates where it will be added. Just drop it nicely in there. You can add as many clips as you like. Just simply drag it inside. You can click around the clips or pressing delete on your keyboard to remove them up. If you drag the MP3 inside, I will be added below the clips, like so. The movie clips are around 18 seconds long, but the MP3 file is around 3 minutes. So what will happen is that the MP3 will be limited unto 18 seconds to match the length of our overall video. You can add MP3 as well as clips as many as you like. You can also trim the video clips by double-clicking them and adjusting it from there. Click Done. Now go above the file, Export As, then select your video aspect ratio or audio only. I will select the 480p for this demonstration. You can assign the file name as well as the location where to save. I will now begin to render as a new video file. The duration of your video directly affects its export time. Longer videos take more time to export. You can close the QuickTime Player, click the delete button on the lower left, since we already exported it. Here's the newly generated video. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.